Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can read a JSON object with nested objects. Right? This is a JSON file. As you can see, I have added animals.json. Here, animals is one object. Inside that, we have different nodes: cat, tiger, cheetah, lion, jaguar, and dog. So this is a simple example for multiple objects, nested objects. Here we have animals, here we have cat. So if I want to read this, human friendly. Cat is human friendly, yes. Tiger is human friendly, no. I've just added this for testing purposes. You can easily go through the code, and I'll add this JSON file also in the code so that you guys can practice. And human friendly, yes or no. Some dogs are very friendly, even all dogs are very friendly. I've just given no to see whether we can pick this array value if it has multiple values. Jaguar, lion, cheetah, they are not human friendly, they are carnivorous animals. So without further ado guys, let us create a simple JavaScript file or program to access this animal.json file with nested objects. So for that I'll write read animals json file.js animal JSON file. So let us open the code now. First, what we have to do, we have to read this animal.json. For that, let us take a constant variable. Let me put JSON object equal to. We can write require. So require will import that file. So I'll write dot slash. You can see animals dot JSON. So in my JSON object, I'll have all the animal.json properties. If you want to see, let us write JSON object dot. You can see it has animals dot. It has cat, cheetah, dog, jaguar, lion, and tiger. So now, I don't want it to write like this. I can write like this also. I will write a program to dynamically use these values, right? So in the future programs, if they ask you to select the values dynamically, normally we can select like this: JSON object.animals.cat. Let me write node read animals JSON file.js. So I'll get an object which is human friendly. So if you go to animals, if you go to cat, we have an object. Inside that an object, animals is an object, cat is an object. Inside that we have an array. Fine. If you want to access, let's say dog, so we have to give animals dot dog, and we'll get the same dog attributes. So s and no, right? So what if I need to store the values, to access the values through dynamically? How can I know which, instead of doing giving dog, right? Instead of giving animals, right? I want to access all the objects. So let me write instead of this console log, instead of removing, right, I'll just put a comment so that you guys can take a look of the code and you can practice it. So I'll write var. So I'll write type of animals. I'll take this variable and I'll write, we don't have to parse guys, since animals is an object, we don't have to parse it. We can just take like this JSON object of, let me write animals. What this type of animals will have? All the animals which we have given there. You put, see, cat, cheetah, jaguar, lion type. Why I have taken this? In this type of animals, we can easily access all, right? Instead of giving dot animals dot something like that. So In order to access, let me write a function. So function animals JSON function. So it will take a JSON value. So JSON value will be type of animals. Let me call the function here, calling the function with type of animals. So in order to execute each and every object, we can use a for loop. We can use index in JSON. And what does it index give? So let us see. Let us print this index. So console.log. So index value. Here index is any. So it can be an object. It can be a string. Let's see. See, it has typed cat, tiger, cheetah, lion, dog, and jaguar. So first level we have got. The first level of objects we have got. Now we have to go to a human-friendly object and we have to extract the values. I'll put a comment to this. What if I want only the cat object, right? If so, we can take from index. So cat is a zero index, right? Let us now see. So I'll write var object equal to JSON of index. So index will be, what is the index here? Index will be the this one, cat JSON index. You want the cat's object you want to store in this obj and they iterate the loop. That is the meaning of this. So how we can write it here? So console.log. So I want index which will be cat. I want to specify obj. Right, let's see what it does. See, cat it is giving an object, tiger it is giving an object, cheetah it is giving an object, lion it is giving an object. Since inside of this we have an array, so for that we have to go still in one step further, right? So let us see. So what do we have? Objects dot, so human friendly, right? So what do we get now? See, cat is yes, tiger we have no, cheetah no, dog is yes or no, yes and no. So what if I can create a function where I can pass a value here, let's say a value, and let me create this value here, and so that I can dynamically pass the value. Whatever the value we pass, if it matches the index, then only you do a console log. So if value equal to this index, then only you print, right? And then we, instead of running the loop entirely, once we find the value, right? Once we print it, we'll break it, right? So value we'll pass it here. Let's take value as cat. You can dynamically pass, and also I'll write here to is human friendly. Human friendly in the sense like we can use them as pets, cats, but not big cats, right? They're carnivorous animals. So let me execute this. See, I've given cat is human friendly. Yes. So I'll give a question mark here. So what if I pass dog? So dog is human friendly, yes or no? So what if I pass tiger? Is human friendly? No, tiger is not human friendly. We can't make tiger as a pet. Lion is human friendly? No. So this is a simple program where you can easily interact with the JSON objects in a JavaScript file. Hope hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Code will be in the description. You can use for different scenarios. Let me know if you have doubts. If you have any doubts in the comment section. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.